Hi guys, so we are back and this is a quick get ready with me, actually a super quick get ready with me because my manager slash friend slash whatever has challenged me to get ready in 10 minutes, right Leanne? Leanne said yes.
Yes.
So we have to get ready exactly in 10 minutes. Where's my phone? We're going to set the timer and I know I can get ready in 10 minutes but ये लोग को मुझ पे भरोसा है नहीं और प्लीज़ ये मत सोचना कि मैंने अंदर चश्मे क्यों लगाए just because I have dark circles and we all have dark circles, right? So I'm just like covering my issues with my dark covering my dark circles and my issues of life wearing sunglasses, if that makes sense. Anyway, the timer is here. We start. Where's my अरे यार मेरी क्रीम कहाँ है, मॉइस्चराइजर कहाँ है? अरे मॉइस्चराइजर रखा ही नहीं यार. We got this. This is not my moisturizer. This is just like a cream that I use to kind of protect my skin from all the chemicals and makeup and everything. So this is like my primer. Yeah, sort of. So I have done a little bit of concealer right now. I have used Huda's concealer. I don't know which one is this exactly, but this is Huda Beauty and it's literally the best concealer that I have used. And now I'm gonna do like a foundation, but it's not really exactly like a foundation. It's a skin tint. It's from Dior. It's Hydra Nude, Forever Hydra Nude. So yeah, this is the best thing. Like if given a choice that मुझे अपने सारे मेकअप में से कोई एक ही चीज़ अपने साथ रखनी है या यूज़ करनी है, I would definitely use this one because little bit and it does wonders on my skin. It's got great coverage. It has this dewy effect on my face. Also, it's quite moisturizing as well. So I love this one. We can have everything like in the comment section and the description, like the products we use, right? Yeah. So we are gonna do that. I'm new, right? So I mean, I don't know that yet. So I am using a bronzer right now. It's from NARS. It's one of my favorites. Though ये थोड़ा सा टूट चुका है, so yeah, I have to be very careful with this one. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, so one thing that I do, not regularly, but I try, is to dip my face in ice water. I think ये बहुत common हो चुका है अभी, सभी को पता है कि ये करना चाहिए. But one thing that I do is
That you swear by.
that I swear by. Just drink lots of water, but using rice water on your skin, it will do wonders. It will just give you that glow. And एक दो बार use करके नहीं पता चलेगा. You will see the result in like say about a month's time. But you have to be consistent with this one. How much time? Okay, we have 6 minutes left, guys. I think I can do this. I can try. So yeah, I use my bronzer for my eyes because I think it's just the perfect shade to give me that natural eyeshadow look. So yeah, I use my bronzer on my eyes, and also it controls all the oil and my eyes don't really get greasy that fast. So yeah, that's another thing that I do. Oops, sorry. Okay, so here we are. Now we're moving forward to the best part of the makeup, my favorite part, that's mascara. I think it just changes the whole game. Like you do a good stroke of mascara and whoa, you've changed the game. I love mascara. The one that I'm using, it's from Dior. So I don't really use waterproof mascara because बहुत मेहनत लगती है उसे निकालने के लिए. Plus आपकी lashes बहुत ज़्यादा टूटती हैं, तो day-to-day life, I don't use a waterproof mascara unless and until I'm shooting and I'm shooting outdoors. Only then I would use like a waterproof mascara, otherwise a normal mascara. And this one from Dior is my favorite. Mascaras, I have literally tried every brand and now I have finally found my favorite one, the one that I'm gonna stick to unless I find something better. And you can definitely comment down below if you have any suggestions for me to try different mascaras. The ones that have like good volume and they give you a good length also come off easily. You can actually see the difference. Okay, so another thing that I always do is that I apply a little bit concealer after my makeup is done. I just feel that it gives me better coverage when I do it at the end once again, like very little bit, not too much, like very little concealer just after my makeup is done. So right now we're just doing like very basic stuff. So yeah, my lashes are done. I'm just gonna use my favorite lip balm, that's from Fenty's Cade. It's the salted caramel lip balm, and it is the best lip balm I have ever used, not only because it hydrates well or stuff like that, but it's just so yummy, and I am one of those who eats lip balm. So yeah, it's just the yummiest lip balm that I have used, and this one's from Fenty Beauty. I love it. So I think we're good. I'm not doing blush because I'm kind of out of my whole heavy blush phase. I had that phase where I was obsessed with blush. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options of blush on with me right now, but I'm going to use none because I'm out of my blush on phase. I'm in my clean girl era. So yeah, no blush on for me right now. And yeah, that's really all about it, and we are just about on time. See my timer. I told you, don't challenge me. I take it very personally. So yeah, this was like my quickest get ready with me, and also the simplest because I've literally just done nothing, just a little bit concealer, skin tint, and a very good and a heavy mascara and lip balm. That's it. But that's my, honestly, it's my everyday makeup. It's this. So this is my everyday makeup. But if you guys have any other requests or suggestions, what should I do, what kind of videos I should make more, and what next you want to see, if you want me to try like a smoky eye or a little heavier makeup, you can just please comment down below and let me know. We've just begun, so we are open for new ideas, and kind of we want to understand what my audience really wants to see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys.